Alright, so go to your supply store, get your design printed on some transparent paper, lay it down, and get the measurements popping, alright y'all? So basically I'm gonna have this the way I want it. That way when it's time to press, it's exactly how I lined it up. Alright, so now it's lined up. We got the tape on there. We're going to put that there. Go ahead. It's placed. Okay, so now we have this glass that we're going to wait on the back side of that to burn the image in. Go ahead and lift it up. Be careful for that, guys. Yeah, put it back down. Okay, so now that it's on, did you write the circle around? Draw the circle. Draw the circle around right here. Alright, so now I have my 500 watt floodlight, which is going to cure, which is going to burn the image through the glass into the emulsion. So let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes and we in business. So if you have that on a 500 watt light, you should be good to go. 3 to 5 minutes. So what you're looking at here is a glass sheet that is on top of my transparent image printed in black. Sitting on the back side of the mesh. So this is burning all the black through the emulsion right now. And so after 3 to 5 minutes, I will be able to wash it out through the screen. Okay? Stay tuned. All right, now the image is burning through the screen, I wash it out. Let's see. Okay, all the way up. Now don't try to wash it out too much, as long as you get all the fine details that we're supposed to get out there. As you can see, there's other spots there. If you don't do it too well, it'll start washing out. Just make sure you do try to throw a little bit of tape in there on the back side. Maybe just some masking tape, nothing too crazy. Now before you use this, make sure it does dry. But this shit ready to go. Boom. I told you so. Line up your holes. Yeah. Line up your holes. Printing. Line up your holes. Start printing.